Hi there, today I wanted to show a great addition to a restaurant kit. It's called the Feed the Monster Alphabet Game that I got from Dollar Tree.
School bus.
Which one? School bus?
This comes with 4 cardboard monsters and 2 sheets of stickers, so the child can just peel off and feed what they want to the little monsters.
Thanks. Alright, school bus.
Put it down.
Put it on the paper, buddy. Is he eating the school bus? Just playing with the stickers practices fine motor skills, and each monster has a little white square that's dry erase, so you can write a letter and have your child find a sticker that starts with that letter.
Mommy.
He's eating money.
Dad.
Which one?
Here's my 2 older children. I wish they still needed restaurant kits. He's trying, honey.
Look.
So here's the finished project, even after my husband accidentally spilled coffee on it. My son really had fun with this, but next time I think I'm going to just pull out 1 or 2 of the monsters so it doesn't take up so much room on the table. Thanks for watching. Bye.